Well, hey sweet friends, if you can hear scraping outside, that's my husband out there scraping the side of the house. We have some different projects going on here. So last week, I believe my video was about our bathroom renovation update, and super exciting, but we're kind of at a standstill with that. We are waiting for the tub to be reglazed, our original 1930s tub, which I'm super excited about. So once that's reglazed, we can move on with the tile and everything in there. But today, we are going to test out some paint colors on our home exterior. We've put this project off for a long time. Our home desperately needs to be painted. We've tried to color match the current color. Hasn't worked out great for us. So now we're kind of dealing with a splotchy situation. Our home was built, like I said, in the 1930s. So the cedar shake is peeling horribly. The siding isn't quite as bad, the wood siding, but we're gonna have to go around and scrape all the loose bits. And I bought a ton of sample colors to try. And since Michigan is like, it's so weird this time of year, April, May, you have days where it is beautiful. Like today we have a high of 70, it's sunny. And then you have days like this past weekend where the high was 46 and we were pulling out winter coats. And so we want to try to take advantage of these nice days during this time of year before all of the growth and flowers sort of fill in, and it makes it more tricky to paint the house. So that's the plan for today. I'm excited to share my plan with you guys. So all right, why don't we go out there and see what Mike is up to. Okay, so Mike is over here scraping the house.
I'm just using a stiff angle scraper. It's got a sharp edge.
Okay.
And just breaking loose, obviously, all the chippy paint. You know, that's gonna make it difficult when we paint over it because you don't want the other, you know, the new paint to chip after a week.
It is such a gorgeous day here in Michigan today, and whenever the weather is beautiful, my boys want to go fishing. And every time they catch fish, they want me to take a picture. So I have all of these photos of my boys with all of their different fish that they've caught over the years. And I am so excited to share this project that we just worked on together using the Leany PixCut S1 that you see behind me. I have shared the Leany photo printer with you guys before, but now they have this Leany photo printer that also cuts out the photos and creates stickers. So it has dual functions, both printing and cutting both. The Leany PixCut S1 can transform a beginner into a craft master in just 30 seconds. So first of all, once you download the Leany app onto your phone, there are endless creative possibilities right there on the app. But I love to personalize things. So we went ahead and uploaded some photos of Ethan and some of his fish that he has caught over the years. But again, you can use the free templates that are available on the app. There's over 8,000 plus designs for you to choose from. But today we wanted to work on a fishing logbook for Ethan. He was so excited about this. So the Leany PixCut S1 is an all-in-one solution. Like I said before, it prints and it cuts. It seamlessly integrates top-notch photo printing and precise cutting, eliminating the need for multiple machines. It's perfect for creating custom stickers and labels all in one step. Another thing that I love so much about the Leany PixCut S1 is that it automatically recognizes the outline of your objects and it removes the background to make for this awesome sticker. Combined with advanced AI technology, like I said, it automatically recognizes the edge of the image and extracts the image for precise cutting every time with no manual adjustments needed. So you can upload and design your stickers with just one click. You don't need to manually figure out where your outline is gonna go. The Leany app does all of this for you. This is perfect for beginners that have no design skills. So whether it's a complex or simple shape, it can be cut with precision, reducing waste and improving production efficiency. These prints are really high quality. They're waterproof. You can see that Ethan put together the cutest little fishing logbook. He's so excited about it. And now every time he catches a fish, I know exactly what we're going to be using to add to this book. You guys, how cute would these stickers be on a laptop case or a mug? I can think of so many gift ideas. The Leanie Pixcut S1 utilizes thermal dye sublimation technology with 300 DPI, a 1280 dot thermal print head, and 167 million colors resolution to produce vivid, true-to-life color photos and stickers. The 4-layer technology, which includes an automatic lamination process, ensures that stickers are long-lasting, waterproof, fade-resistant, and scratch-resistant. The app is compatible with both Android and iPhone, and it's very user-friendly. To learn more about the Leanie Pixcut S1 and get exclusive member gifts, you can head to the official Leanie store. I will have the link for you in the description box below, as well as a link to this over on Amazon. I also have a code so that you can get 10% off. Go check out the Leanie Pixcut S1. I know you guys are gonna love it. I tried to pick a variety of different grays so that I could see if I liked a cooler gray or a warmer gray. So I got quite a few. Hopefully it doesn't confuse me more. But let me go ahead and bring the camera closer. I can show you guys. Okay, so the first gray color that I grabbed is definitely more of a true gray. I would say this is called Antique Pewter. What do you think? That's the Antique Pewter. Here is the blue gray. This is called Desert Twilight.
They both look the same.
All right, another gray that I grabbed is called Arctic Shadows.
Arctic Shadows.
This one also, ooh.
This one, those two are kind of...
Oh man, Antique Pewter almost looks green compared to Arctic Shadows. This is gonna be tricky. Let me show you Arctic Shadows. All right, what else did I grab? I grabbed Copley Gray, which was my, my personal favorite, but it looked super brown to me when I had it made up. So here's Copley Gray. Let me show you this one.
Doesn't look like... Looks like the first one we did.
Okay, so we've got those for dark options so I'm thinking all the shakes. So I have cedar shake on that front portion. I have cedar shake in all the peaks of my home. So every side of the house that has any type of peak, there's cedar shake in there, which is really beautiful. All right, now I've got some lighter colors that I want to try. This is for the siding. This one is called Herbal Escape.
Purple.
Oh, we definitely don't want purple.
Yeah.
Which one do you feel like looks purple? Did you say one looked purple to you?
No. It sounded kind of.
Okay, this next light color that I chose as an option for the siding is called Winter Wood.
Winter, ooh, I like that.
Do you?
Yeah.
Which one do you like more?
I like this one.
You like the Winter Wood more than the Herbal Escape? Here's Winter Wood. Okay, and then I only grabbed one white. I grabbed, by the way, these are all Benjamin Moore colors. I grabbed Simply White by Benjamin Moore, and we'll try that on like the window boxes, some of the trim work that we have. You can see I went through quite the process here with the samples. So you guys want to try bringing this paint outside and putting it on the house? All right, let's head outside. Okay guys, so this is the north-facing side of the house, and it's in the best shape. Not a lot of chipping happening back here. It doesn't get blasted by the sun. So I thought we could try some samples right here under the, oh sorry, I can't see the screen, right here under the kitchen window. And then we'll go try some over where Mike is scraping. So why don't we start with, I'm dying to see these colors. Why don't we start with Copley Gray? It's kind of one of my favorites, but you know, things always change when you see the color in person. So why don't I do it first? my first reaction is that it looks too green. Now next one is antique pewter. Okay, very gently, okay? Good job, buddy. Okay, and then how about you paint this board right here? Okay, can you paint that board? Good job.
Hey, I'm not playing it good.
Good job, bud. Yeah, good job. Okay guys, it's getting pretty loud out here. Neighbors are doing yard work. There's lawnmowers and tractors. Everyone's taking advantage of the beautiful day. I'm gonna let these colors dry. I'm not 100% sure on any of them yet. So I'm gonna try the two lighter colors I picked as well and see how I'm feeling about those. Oh man, guys, this is so hard. I'm gonna let these dry. The boys would like to have a picnic, eat outside. So I'm gonna put some lunch together. I'm gonna grab Mike and see what he thinks. I think this one is too green, too blue. Kind of like in these two. And maybe the siding color is too light. Okay, what are your thoughts? Do you like any of them?
Yeah.
Which ones do you like? I don't know.
Well, I'm just like wondering because like, are we gonna go more greenish
I don't think I like the
or
green.
more grayish?
You think that's gray?
This is more blue.
That looks blue to me, yeah.
This is more blue, but this is more gray, similar to what's already there.
Just like lighter.
Just a little lighter, yeah. So you're thinking like this one then? Is that what you're leaning towards?
Which one do you like? What's your favorite?
So it's either between this one and this one.
Okay.
Alright. But if you don't want to go green, then I say more this. So that shape,
Okay.
okay?
Mm-hmm.
But then like, I don't like this.
Right. Too
looks
white.
too white.
All right, so Mike is up here. He's testing out the colors up higher for me, and he's doing it so that one color is on the shake and one color is on the siding. Let me see if I can get a closer look for you guys. Are the colors too contrasting, or do they go well together? Is kind of what we're trying to decide. We like those two options, but it's so much lighter, and this is in the shade. Once we try that light color in the sun, we're afraid it's just gonna be, you know, it's gonna look almost white. So I think that's the fear. But we're just gonna keep going around the house and seeing what it looks like everywhere, and if we like this combination, and if not, I guess we just go back to the drawing board, go pick out some more samples. You can kind of see how bad the paint is. Okay, so Mike is currently trying the antique pewter up in the shake area that he scraped here, and then we're gonna test that herbal escape right below it. We're already losing sunlight on this side of the house, so I think we're gonna put this sample up here and then move around the corner to the front of the house and try samples there. I feel like the more I see the combination together, the more I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is like a perfect place to kind of test both colors because we have the cedar shake here and the siding here. We're just doing some scraping. Wow, that's so much lighter.
Well, remember, it dries darker.
Yeah, put a pretty big like area up. I really want to get a good feel for it.
Like up too?
Yeah, sure. All right guys, I'm not gonna lie, I am super overwhelmed right now. I went out there and what I thought that I loved during the bright sunlight has now morphed into green. We're doing burgers tonight because it's so beautiful. Patty melts actually, so I'm gonna cut up some onion. But I think this is why it's so important to test out your color during different times of the day and step away from it before you make your official decision. I tried the Desert Twilight and I think I'm liking that more than the Antique Pewter. But I also tried Revere Pewter. I had it in my basement. It's actually in my kitchen. It's like the gray trim, like on the fridge behind me, on the door right here. I threw some of that on the siding to see if I would like that. I also tried a few other colors. It's no fun when you live far away from you know, the place where you can get samples. Hopefully I will get this figured out. And I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. So Mike's got the grill going. I'll give you a little update after dinner. All right guys, it's actually the following day now, and after going back outside in the evening and seeing the Herbal Escape and the Antique Pewter, we completely changed our minds. The sun began to set and those colors just looked so green to us. So completely switched gears and I ran in my basement and I found Revere Pewter and I tried that along with that Desert Twilight color for the shake. Okay, so I've been outside several times now. It's been like kind of partly cloudy today, so I keep going out to look at it. And I'm really liking these colors, but I don't know if I'm ready to commit yet. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Let me know how you're feeling about Revere Pewter and Desert Twilight. I think I like these colors. Stay tuned and I will for sure keep you posted. I've got to go decide on a paint color. We're headed to the paint store today. Wish me luck. Thanks so much for coming along with me today, guys. If you are new to my channel, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.